Are you still struggling to land the right KOL collaborations? Are you tired of high costs, ghosting, and unpredictable results from traditional influencer marketing? If so, you're looking at the solution right now. Today, I'll show you how to create an AI influencer. Make sure you stay until the very end because I'll be sharing the exact AI video prompt library that will help you generate these influencers in seconds. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it.
First, we need to create our own custom model. You can head over to Pinterest to select an image you like and download it. Next, visit the Fotor AI website and click on Image Generator. Upload the image you just downloaded and select the Nano Banana Pro model. Set the resolution to 2K and change the aspect ratio to 3:4. Now, enter the following prompt. Then click the Generate button. Just like that, we have created our very own AI influencer persona. Next, we are going to bring her to life with dynamic effects. To do this, download a video that you want your AI influencer to mimic. For example, this OOTD video. I want my AI influencer to perform those exact same movements. So, let's head over to Fotor's Magic Sync feature, upload the video we just downloaded, and then upload the original image of our AI model. Next, click Generate, and after a brief wait, let's download the resulting video. Here is the generated result. It looks incredibly realistic, and the movements are incredibly fluid and cool. You can also use the Magic Sync feature to generate dance videos and much more.
All right, that wraps up today's video. All the links and tools I use in this episode are listed in the description box below. If you'd like the prompts used in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
And leave a comment below saying prompt. See you next time.